A long time ago, there were three monks in North China. No one knows their name because they never told anything about themselves to anyone. In China, they are still known as the three laughing monks. They always lived together and used to roam from one village to another. Wherever they went, they would stand in the middle of the market and start laughing loudly. Seeing their laughter, people's attention was drawn towards them, and gradually a large crowd gathered around them. They would laugh from deep within with such a happiness that, seeing their laughter, the whole village would also start laughing, and when the whole village was drowned in the ocean of the laughter, they would leave from there and would go to another village. They neither spoke any word nor preached or taught anything to anyone. Wherever they three went, they would create such an atmosphere with their laughter that people would forget all of their sorrow and just start laughing. There was talk about them all over the China. Whenever someone asked their name, they would just laugh away. And that's why people started calling them three laughing monks. They would laugh as if they were laughing on some cosmic joke, as if they have understood the secret of the universe. With their laughter, they spread so much joy in the whole of the China that which no one had been able to spread before them. While roaming all over the China and making people laugh, with time all three of them got old. And one night, when they were staying in a village, one of them died. The whole village was saddened to hear this news. The villagers felt that maybe on this day the remaining two monks would definitely cry. Everyone wanted to see their reaction. In the morning, the whole village gathered, but they were amazed to see that both of the monks were laughing loudly while sitting near the dead body of the third monk. No one had ever seen them laugh like this before. Some people tried to convince them that he was your companion and you should not laugh at his death. And that day, for the first time, they spoke to the people and said, "We are laughing because this man has won. All three of us had a bad death. Whoever dies first, the remaining two will laugh out loud at his death. And this man has defeated us today. We are laughing at our defeat and his victory. There cannot be any better way to say farewell than this." Saying this, they laid the dead body of the third monk on the pyre. It was a custom in China that when a person dies, his old clothes were removed and put on new clothes. But before dying, the third monk told his companions not to change his clothes after his death. He had told them not to bath his body after his death because he had never been impure. There was so much laughter in his life that no impurity could ever accumulate on him. As the pyre of the third monk was set on fire, suddenly firecrackers started bursting in the sky. That monk had hidden firecrackers inside his clothes. Seeing such a sight of firecrackers, the whole village started laughing again and forgot about the grief of the third monk's death. And thus, even after dying, the third monk brought smiles on the faces of the people. If we see in our lives, we will find that our life is also just a joke and nothing else. One who understands this does not fall into the mess of the world, which unnecessarily causes us sorrow. Happiness is something that increases by sharing, and sorrow is something that decreases by sharing.